So in this project, the element that we will cover is first, problem statement, second, proposed solution, third, method to achieve the proposed solution, fourth, discussion about the product, and finally, commercial point of view. So, the problem statement for this project is first, the driver had trouble finding an empty parking lot in the mall. So you can watch these videos to visualize how the driver having trouble to find an empty parking lot in the mall.
Mom, look! There's one!
Where is it? Ah! Oh, there's already a car there.
Well, Mom, looks like this isn't going to work.
I'm not giving up. Huh?
A parking spot!
Hooray!
The second problem statement is the distance between the car and the wall is hard to be estimated by the driver. You can watch the videos to visualize how the distance between the car and the wall is very hard to be estimated by the driver.
Here is the proposed solution to solve the problems that have been stated earlier. To solve the first problem, which is finding an empty parking lot, light sensor is used to detect light, and if there is car in the parking lot, it will detect the low brightness, which LED will lit up and act as an indicator to tell that the parking lot is occupied. For the second problem, which is the driver having difficulty to estimate the distance, ultrasonic sensor is used to measure distance between the car and the wall. The LED and buzzer will act as an indicator to indicate the distance and give warning to the driver.
Here is the method to achieve the proposed solution. As you can see here, so this is the method that we have arranged in order to solve the problem. As you can see here, this is the jumper wire, ultrasonic sensor, light sensor, resistor, breadboard, LED, Arduino, and buzzer. The first method that we want to solve is first finding an empty parking lot. So, we have decided to find the solution or the method in order to solve the problem. So, this is the light sensor and the LED which are functioned to determine the presence of empty parking lot. So, what is the function of light sensor and LED? First, light sensor and LED help the driver to determine whether the parking lot is occupied or not. Second, when there is a car parked in the parking lot, the light sensor will detect the presence of the car, low light, and when there is no car in the parking lot, the light sensor detects the high light. The third one is when the light is low, LED will light up to show that the parking lot has been occupied. The fourth one is when the light is high, LED will not light up to show that the parking lot is empty.
Here is the methods to help the driver in estimating the distance between the car and the wall. First, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, and LED will help the driver to estimate the distance between the car and the wall. Second, when the distance between the car and the wall is 20 cm, 3 LED which is red, yellow, and green will lit up. Next, when the distance is 15 cm, only 2 LED remain lit up and buzzer start to produce sound. While when the distance is 10 cm, only 1 LED remain lit up and buzzer remain producing the sound. And last, when the distance is 5 cm, no LED will lit up and no sound produced by the buzzer.
Here is the discussion about the product. The first thing that we have done is having meeting with the group members. During the meeting, we have sketched on the sketching paper in order to visualize the product that we will produce later on. The next step is the process of building the product and connect the wire accordingly. This is the coding that we have done for the light sensor. Next, this is the coding for the ultrasonic sensor. So here is all the testing phase that we have done in order to produce the product. So here is the demonstration of the final product.
The last part of this video is the commercial point of view of this smart parking lot system. This smart parking lot system can be widely used in huge community places such as shopping mall, hospital, and others, as it helps the drivers to search for an empty parking lot and estimate the distance between the car and the wall when they enter the parking. For the advantages of our product, first, it saves time as it prevents the driver wasting their time searching for an empty parking lot. Second, it for the safety of the driver as it avoids the crash between the car and the wall. In a conclusion, we hope that this smart parking lot system can give benefit to the drivers out there and can be used widely in Malaysia. That's all from us. Thank you.